The raw silver ore is crushed into fine particles. This increases surface area, allowing impurities to be removed more efficiently during refining. Silver has shaped human civilization for thousands of years. But have you ever wondered how raw silver is transformed? In the heart of industry, molten metal flows with unyielding power. Precision controls harness this force, driving efficiency and scale. Next comes kerosene from rougher metals. Impurities like copper and lead are removed, leaving behind high-grade silver.
Check the flow rate spike. Yeah, but temp is stable. Good. Monitor it.
To achieve ultimate purity, electrolytic refining is used. Electric current pulls pure silver atoms to cathode plates. The purified silver is metallurgy is critical. Even the smallest impurity can affect investment-grade quality. At this stage, solid waste transforms into pure liquid metal. Impurities are carefully removed to ensure strength and food safety. This is the most critical moment. Precision is everything. Within seconds, the pot's basic shape is formed. The metal is left to cool and solidify naturally. This is the most critical moment. Precision is everything. Within seconds, the pot's basic shape is formed. As the silver cools, it solidifies into its final form. These bars already contain incredible value, but the process is not over yet. Molten silver is poured into precision-engineered molds. Each mold is designed to create perfectly weighted investment bars. Each bar is stamped with its purity, weight, and refinery mark. This stamp is a guarantee recognized by investors worldwide. Every silver bar is weighed and tested. Advanced XRF scanners confirm purity at 999 fine silvered. Before shipping, every bar undergoes a final visual inspection. Surface quality, markings, and seals are checked one last time. Serial numbers delete impurity in real-time systems. This ensures full transparency and traceability for investors. The silver bars are packaged using export-grade materials. This protects them from damage during long-distance transportation. The finished bars are sealed to protect them from damage. They are now ready for storage, trading, or investment. From deep inside the earth to secure investment vaults, this is the dirty silver, pure, powerful, timeless. Specialized armored vehicles transport the silver. Every shipment is insured, monitored, and protected at every mile. From this refinery, silver reaches investors across the United States and global markets. These bars become long-term stores of wealth and financial security. When investors place orders, the refinery processes each request with precision. Only verified and certified bars are selected for shipment. One certified designed to protect millions of dollars in precious metals, with constant surveillance and controlled access. From deep inside the earth to secure investment vaults, this is the dirty silver, pure, powerful, timeless.